Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the day one of studying control statements, and we will really need some couple of days to complete all the control statements in C. So without any delay, let us proceed. First, we have if control statement. So this control statement is one of the very basic control statement that we use in C control statement, and it is a statement which is used to execute code blocks based on given condition. Like there can be blocks, but the main thing is we have a condition, and that condition has if that condition is true, then we will get inside the block of a if statement, or else we won't. So it is very like fundamental control structure in C, and is extensively used to implement decision making logic in your programs. So just imagine that you want to meet your crush, and your crush gives you a condition. Your crush gives you a condition that you can meet him or her before 6 p.m. So if you obey this condition, that is if you obey this condition, then only you can meet. Just pardon my handwriting. I think it is something wrong with the pen. So this is a condition that before 6 p.m. Like if I have to mark conversation, then this is a condition. So enough of understanding with example. Now let us go and understand with syntax. So this is syntax, as I said, that if the condition is valid, then only the block of statement would be executed, and if this condition is not valid, then the statement would not be executed. This whole box, like this whole part, would be skipped, and then it would go to the next line, whatever the line would be next to it. Okay, let us understand this with an example. Okay, so here is a program that we can see, and this program, we will be doing this program by using if control statement. So as the program name, you can see program to print a message if negative number is entered. So we will program something which will show that you have entered a number that is negative. Okay, so for which the basic requirements as C needs, first we will do the include stdio.h, then we will write the main, then we will come to the printf part. Like obviously we will mention an integer type num, then we will come to the print part, and we will ask to the user to enter a number, and then the scanf function will scanf the number entered by the user. Then finally the part comes where we will use the if control statement. So let me start. First we will write if, and then we will have this first bracket. Then as we have used num here, you can use whatever variable you want. So we will check if num is less than 0. Okay, so if num is less than 0, then only this block would be executed. Which block? The block I'm going to write next to if statement. So we get to the next line, and we write a printf statement, that is if this condition gets satisfied, then only this printf statement would be displayed, or else this printf statement would be skipped. Okay, so getting yes, number entered is negative. This is the message that would be shown. It's not needed actually to write the \n, but it's okay as I've written it. And if the number is not negative, then let us give a statement which should be printed. Printf value of num is okay. So writing this basically will take the value the user has input and then display it here. I can then do this and then num. Okay, that's all. Now let's run it. It is asking us to enter a number. Let us enter a non-negative number at first. Okay, so it is displaying the value of num is 3 because we entered the number 3, and it skipped the if part because I did not enter a negative number. And if I enter a negative number, suppose this, then it will show number entered is negative, value of num is -4. So this is a simple code. I hope you understood it. Thank you.